जय विज्ञान एवरीवन। सरस्वती महाभागे विद्ये कमललोचने विद्यारूपे विशालाक्षी विद्यां देहि नमोस्तुते विद्यां देहि नमोस्तुते विद्यां देहि नमोस्तुते। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है, हे महाभाग्यवती, ज्ञान रूपा कमल के समान विशाल नेत्र वाली ज्ञानदात्री सरस्वती, मुझको विद्या दो, मैं आपको प्रणाम करता हूँ।
Hello students, today we are going to learn chapter number 6, relative pronouns. A relative pronoun refers to a noun going before it. It used to join two sentences. Okay, now let's see. I like boys who are honest. Okay, मुझे ऐसे लड़के पसंद है जो honest होते हैं. Okay, so जो भी noun आप यहाँ पे यूज कर रहे हो उससे रिलेटेड यहाँ पे उसके बाद you will add that relative pronoun. Okay, here is the book that you lent me. ये वो बुक है जो आपने मुझे दी थी. that you lent me. I have found the pen which I had lost. मुझे वो पेन मिल गई है जो मैंने खो दी थी. Okay, who is used before people only. who जो है वो सिर्फ people के लिए यूज होता है. He is the boy who won the race. A thief is a person who steals things. Boys who work hard get good marks. So these all are the nouns related to person. Okay, जब भी हम person के बारे में बात करेंगे we will add only who. That is used for things. That जो है वो things के बाद यूज होगा. An aeroplane is a machine that flies. I have lost the watch that you gave me. He has sold the car that his father gave him. Okay, so machine, watch and car, they all are things. So after things we need to add that. We can use that for people also, but who is better? He is the man who stole my purse. See, आप who के बदले that भी यूज कर सकते हो for people, but who suits more. Okay, अगर मैं यहाँ पे बोलूँ he is the man that stole my purse, तो that is not suitable. यूज कर सकते हैं but it is not suitable, so we will always use who. He is the man that stole my purse, but we will always use who. Which is used for things and animals. Which is used for things and animals. Which जो है वो things और animals, birds सबके लिए यूज होगा. An aeroplane is a machine which flies. I have lost the watch which you gave me. The horse which he has bought runs very fast. तो ये सारे सेंटेंस में animals है या तो कोई things है. So this that noun जो होते हैं that is related to animals and things. After that noun we will add which. We can use who, that and which to join sentence. I met a girl, ये conjunctions के जैसे भी काम करता है. Okay, so I met a girl, she was very tall. I met a girl who was very tall. तो यहाँ पे she के बदले क्या आ जाएगा? who. ओके, यहाँ पे गर्ल की बात कर रहे हैं तो she के बदले यहाँ पे आ जाएगा who. You gave me a watch, I have lost it. I have lost the watch. That और which दोनों चलेगा. You gave me. An aeroplane is a machine, it can fly. An aeroplane is a machine that or which can fly. So both are fine with that. Now see the matching. You have to write this matching in your notebook. Okay, match the items and write sentence using who. Who से हमें सारे sentence बनाने हैं. A liar is a person. A liar is a person who doesn't tell the truth. Okay. A fool is a person who is very stupid. A thief is a person who steals things. A genius is a person who is very intelligent. A dentist is a person who look after your teeth. A patient is a person who is ill in hospital. A butcher is a person who sells meat. A musician is a person who plays a musical instrument. Okay, you have to write this word in your these sentences in your grammar notebook. Now see the fill up. Put in who or which. Okay, she had a box which had no lid. यहाँ पे answer will be which. He is the boy. He is the boy has stood first. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा who has stood. boy है तो boy के बाद तो who लगेगा. आप सिर्फ फिलअप्स के आगे वाला वर्ड देखो. ओके, it was a big tree which they cut down. Is there anybody who has seen God? Okay, now I have a friend who can speak Marathi. Everyone who was there enjoyed the party. There is a big river which flows through Delhi. River है तो यहाँ पे which use होगा. He asked a question was difficult to answer. He asked a question which was difficult to answer. See, सिर्फ last word देखो. If these are the person, who add कर दो, and then the last word is related to animal or things or birds or any other thing, add which. We have to correct the sentence. Okay, wrong वाले words को cut करके हमें वहां पे करेक्ट स्पेलिंग ऐड कर देना है. सी, पर्सन है तो हु आएगा, राइट. मैन है तो हु आएगा, सो दिस वन इज राइट. पीपल है तो यहाँ पे विच के बदले क्या आएगा, हु आएगा. सेंटेंस है, करेक्ट द सेंटेंस, तो सेंटेंस में तो विच लगेगा, तो हु को कट करके यहाँ पे ऐड विच. अ काइट इज अ टॉय. सी, टॉय यानी कि थिंग्स, तो हु को कट करके यहाँ पे विच. नो बडी तो हु राइट ही है नो बडी के साथ. मनी, मनी इज अ थिंग, तो मनी के साथ यहाँ पे विच आएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so these all exercise you have to write in grammar notebook. So okay, it's okay if you don't write, we will write in the online class. Okay, okay, bye students.